Hi guys, Tink's back again, and I have another experiment for you. Just like we did our rad rainbow, if you haven't seen that one, go back to my vlog about the rad rainbow. And we explained density and volume. Okay, we're going to make a lava lamp today, and what you're going to need today is going to be oil, cooking oil, and you're going to need an empty water bottle. You fill it about 2/3 full of the oil. You're going to need 1 bottle of water and food coloring and a stick that can reach to the bottom of your bottle to mix some coloring. You will also need 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet. One Alka-Seltzer tablet to put at the bottom, and that's going to help us make our lava lamp. Okay, so let's start. I'm just going to get my Alka-Seltzer ready. Alka-Seltzer is a medication, and when you put it in water, it like sends bubbles to the top. So make sure mom and dad is helping you with this experiment, okay? So, like I said, you take your water bottle and you're going to fill it about 2/3 full of oil, cooking oil. Now you're going to take your water, which is denser than our oil. Remember, our oil floated on our water in our rad rainbow experiment. We're going to pour this in, and it should sink to the bottom. I'm going to leave some space at the top for the bubbles that our Alka-Seltzer is going to create. Now, as you can see, it is a little lighter at the bottom. Some of the oil was pushed down by the bubbles, but those bubbles will rise. Now, we're going to talk for just a second about molecules. Everything has molecules in it. Think of molecules as like, let's see, many blocks, like building blocks that you would put together. So everything has molecules in it. And everything has different size molecules in it. And the only way that we can see it is with a microscope. So, like a magnet, water and oil only stick together when liquids that have the same size molecules. Okay, so water has different size and different types of molecules than oil does, and that's why it doesn't mix. But water and food-soluble food coloring have the same type of molecules. So when I put the drops, I'm going to put about 10 drops in this. The drops should go right through the oil and down into my water, and it will not mix with the oil at all. So let's do that. About 10 drops, I said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are big drops. So we're going to stop at 8. Okay? Make sure that our food coloring is closed. We don't want to spill that on the table. Did you notice how my food coloring went right to the bottom? It never ever stayed up in the oil. I'm going to take my stick now. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to start mixing my water with my coloring. I needed a little bigger stick, I think. But we're just going to give it a little swirl so that we can get our water and our coloring all mixed up. Okay, I'm going to lay my stick on my paper towel. Now, because this tablet's a little too big to put inside my bottle, I'm going to break it in half. Now let's see what happens when we drop this in here and it hits the water. Oh my goodness, look at the bubbles. And there's my lava lamp. The carbon dioxide that the Alka-Seltzer creates causes the bubbles to rise to the top. Carbon monoxide is a gas and it's odorless and colorless. But because we put color in our water, it's pushing the color and the water up in our bubbles. Now we have a lava lamp. It won't last for very long, for as long as the Alka-Seltzer is there. You can always let this settle, and you can always keep a lid on this, put a different Alka-Seltzer in there when you want to show your friends, because that water and that color is going to separate over time again. See how my color drops to the bottom again? Because why? Water is denser than oil. It has to fall to the bottom again because the oil can't hold up the weight, the density of the water. I hope you enjoyed this fun little experiment. I know I had a lot of fun with it. And remember guys, if you like these videos, tell your friends about them. Let them see the different things that we've done. The bear that was in town, and our experiments, our story times, our cooking together. Share it with your friends. I'm sure they'll love to do this. Okay guys, bye.